welcome to Yusuf channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make an Arabian dessert. It is basically, it's not a cake, it's almost like a cake and inside is filling with cream. It is tasty and it's easy to make. So let's start cooking now. So you will need is 1 cup of semolina and we add it like here. It should look like this. You can see, very soft. Now we're gonna add half a cup of vegetable oil. You will add 2 eggs, whole eggs. Now you add half a tablespoon of vanilla. Guys, so now we're gonna add 1 cup of sugar. You add 170 grams of yogurt. And now we'll add baking powder. 1 tablespoon of baking powder. We add coconut powder. We're gonna add 1 cup of powdered milk. We're gonna put it in a mixing machine. As you can see, the texture has to look like this and the strength too. Now we're gonna add this mixture in a cheesecake container, that's middle-sized. You're not gonna add all. You're gonna add only half of it. I'm gonna spread it out. Just like that, and now we're gonna put it in the oven that's hot at 180 degrees Celsius from up to bottom. You guys, now we're gonna add it to the oven. You're gonna leave it like this until, as you can see, you have to put this mixture 5 minutes in the oven and it will look like this. So at that time we will prepare the cream and we'll add it to this layer. So now I'm going to tell you what's the ingredients for the cream. You will need these 2 cold cups of milk, 3 of kiwi cheese. You will need 3 tablespoons and a half of cream, and you will need 4 tablespoons of cornstarch. So first, you will need the milk, of course. Then you add 3 cups and a half. I mean 3 tablespoons and a half. That's 1. Now, you put the kiwi in a bowl. And you start doing it like this, because it's better. Now we're gonna add that in here. Guys, so now we're gonna put 4 tablespoons of cornstarch. 1, 2, 3. Now we're gonna add it to the stove, and you wanna keep on mixing. You guys you wanna keep on mixing until the cream becomes thick. And now we're gonna add the cream to the first layer. Now we're gonna add something optional. It's crushed walnuts. You can put it around the cream before putting it into the oven. Now guys, we're gonna add the third layer, which is the same mixture as last time that we only added half of it. And we're gonna add it slowly. Guys, we're gonna add this mixture to the oven. You're gonna add it for 30 minutes, and you have to watch it while those 30 minutes, so you don't overcook it and you don't undercook it. And the oven has to be hot at 180 degrees Celsius from up to bottom. Yeah, so now we waited until it's cold. Now we're gonna add the syrup. 6 tablespoons. Three, 4, 5, and 6. Now we're gonna wait until this cake or this Arabian dessert is cold, the same temperature as the room. The room temperature. Guys, we're gonna put it in the fridge for 2 hours. So guys, it has been 4 hours in the fridge. Open it. Hope you like this video, guys. This Arabian dessert is really yummy, and it's also easy to make, and there's no mess while making it. But before we end this video, don't forget to click this red button, to hit the notification bell, like and share. Bye bye. See, this one didn't look that good, but this you can see the cream. You can see this crushed walnuts.